Hi guys, welcome back. So here I have a very short videos on how to take care of your curly wig, your curly hair. I get a lot of questions from my clients or people that have ordered curly hair from me before. It's like, Ivy, how do I take care of it? There's a lot of videos on YouTube how to maintain your curly wig, your curly hair. Guys, one thing I will have to say about curly hair is that to keep the coils out, you need to add some conditioner and water to the hair. So basically all you need is leave-in conditioner and some water. So as you can see here, this is a curly wig that was on my website, and before I send this to the client, I wanted to style it. The client did ask me to style it and just wearable. By the time she received it, all she has to do is just bring it out of the package and put it on. So I'm just going ahead. I'm using a wide tooth comb to comb the hair out, and I'm going to show you guys how you can bring the coils back. So one thing that you will notice about curly hair, if they are not wet, it is really puffy. So your hair needs to be wet and some deep conditioner inside that will bring back the coils. So I'm using this bottle that I got from AliExpress. There's just water in there right now. There's nothing in there, just lukewarm water that is in there, and I'm just going to spray it, make sure every part of the hair got some water. And yeah, I'm just spraying it, as you can see, making sure that every part of this hair gets some water in it. So after you're done doing that, you're going to use the same white tooth comb to brush it. It's going to be very easy to brush at this time because you have brushed it before you start spraying the water. So with the water, it's going to make it really easy. You want to make sure you want to get the hair wet enough for it to bounce back. That is one thing about coils. If you want to revive your coils, you can either use water like I'm doing right now. You can use hair mousse as well to bring back the coils, and deep conditioner. So I'm using a hot comb just to smoothen the front. My client wanted the front to be like laid down, so this is not a must. By the time you just spray some water into it, the coils are going to be back. So this is just the style that she wanted on this wig. She wanted like a side part, like a L-shape part on the hair. So that's how she wanted it, and I was like, okay, I can do that for you. And I'm going back with the white tooth comb, brushing it out properly. Guys, you have to brush the hair out properly, and you're going to just go ahead, spray it, and just use comb to comb it out. So as you can see, the coils are coming back, and I didn't add anything to this hair, no conditioner. You can use deep conditioner to bring back the coils, like a leave-in conditioner, but with this hair I didn't really need conditioner at this point because it's really coily. By the time I add the water to it properly, like it was wet enough for the coils to bounce back. I didn't really add anything, just pure water. So if you want, you can use deep conditioner to define the coils the more, but I didn't really use any deep conditioner here to define the coils. The coils were really nice, and my client or the person that ordered this hair for me was really satisfied with the coils. So what you're going to do, you're going to just leave it to dry. By the time you're done styling it like this, as you can see, the bounce, amazing, guys. You're just going to let it to dry. You can leave it overnight to dry. You're not going to lose the coils. The coils are going to be there when it dries out, and you're good to go to install your wig. So yes guys, that is how you bring back the coils of your coily wig and how you make your coils look beautiful and healthy looking. So this is how it looks at the mannequin, and these are some of the wigs that is available on our website to buy. Our braided wigs are available in different colors, different lengths, different styles, and we also have other wigs that are available. And yes guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below and let me know, give me some feedback about this video or my channel, or content that you would love to see on this channel. So I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. Please subscribe, share with your friends and family, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.